वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स, दिस साइड सोनिया हियर फ्रॉम ग्रोइंग क्राफ्ट। और आज हम करने वाले हैं इस ओल्ड कप का मेकओवर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम यूजिंग माय वाइट कलर जेसो and I'm applying generously one coat of gesso on the front side of the cup. Now here I'm using my heat gun to speed up the drying process. Now अगर आप decoupage paper use कर रहे हैं, napkin use कर रहे हैं, transfer sheets को use कर रहे हैं, you have to use your gesso. In gesso there are like two colors options are available in white and black. You can check all these supplies on our website at growingcraft.com. Now coming back to decoupage napkin, so when I started this project making, I just thought I'll go for something floral, but I even liked this figure, and then I was like literally I was browsing through all my napkin collection. Now just in case if you guys are not aware, we have lots of decoupage napkin collection on our website at growingcraft.com. Do check that and do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite pattern or the theme of decoupage napkin, because I love florals, I love patterns, and I even like doing a lot of color blending with these napkins. So let me know which is your favorite part. So honestly, after juggling with a lot of like napkin designs, I finally picked up this one. So I have decided to go for completely black and white theme because I really like the way this is like a plain simple napkin, and you can do so many variations with that. So I just thought of like doing this quick video in black and white. Of course in future I will try to post one more video with doing something colorful with the same napkin. So यहाँ पे very quickly I'm doing my fussy cutting work. If you don't want to do the fussy cutting, you can even use your water brush technique. But with the human figure, fussy cut करना बहुत आसान था. So I just thought of doing this quickly cutting work, and trust me, it hardly takes any time. So once you're happy with your cutting work, you need to make sure that you remove the plies. So most of the napkins, या उसमें 1 ply होता है या 2 ply होता है, depends. You need to remove the plies of your napkin, and once it is there, it's ready to stick. So यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ मेरा Mod Podge. You can even use the decoupage glue. Both the options are there on the website. You guys can check. Now before applying your decoupage glue, you have to make sure that आपका gesso dry होना चाहिए. Otherwise, it is just going to come out. So here is a quick tip. Whenever you are using your brush for your decoupage glue, you can use the same brush without cleaning up for sticking your napkin. This actually saves a lot of time, and trust me, with the leftover decoupage glue, it makes it way more easier to stick your napkin here. Now as cup is a curved surface, of course थोड़े wrinkles होंगे, थोड़े bubbles होंगे, so there is no worries. You can just press it with your brushes and you will see how quickly they vanish. Just in case अगर आपको इसका डिटेल वीडियो देखना है, I'll try to post the link. This was a project which I had done on my live session on my Facebook page. You can check that and you can see the complete details of this tutorial, and I hope you will like it too. Now just in case if you wanted to see some more color combinations, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do my projects in that theme. Now here I'm using my sponge dauber just to remove all the extra wrinkles and bubbles out there, and yeah, tada, it looks really good. So of course जो भी excessive part है, either you can use your sandpaper or you can even cut this with your scissors. Now once I'm done with the cutting work, of course I had to use my massive stamps, and like I said, I'm going for a complete black and white theme. So here I'm using my black and gray color ink pad, and please do make sure that you use your permanent ink pads only. Now here I'm going to use like my massive stamp, and I'm using a beautiful background. One of the very important quick tip is like whenever you're doing your stamping on a decoupage art, overlay that with your napkin, and trust me, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now here I'm using my one stamp. If you want, you can blend in literally 2-3 different designs and just lap it over your decoupage napkins and just play around with the how much pressure you are putting, and you can see a lot of variations. So yes, here I'm done with my basic decoupage work, but of course we have to seal it. So here I'm using my varnish, and trust me, good 2 coats of varnish are good. Now for my varnish, I'm using my massive varnish. Of course जितने भी supplies मैं use कर रही हूँ उनके links मैंने video description box में डाल दी हैं. You guys can check that. So after my first coat of varnish, I'm going to let it dry for good 2-3 hours, and then I'm going to do one more coat of varnish, and my cup is ready. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and yes, do check out another tutorials on our YouTube channel too. So thank you so much for watching guys, and take care and bye bye.